Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to find ticket number on Lufthansa. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I've done right here. The next one is how can you create an account on Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type lufthansa.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get into the website, check the top right corner of your screen and click on login/registration to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to find ticket number on Lufthansa. Now, I'd like you to know that for you to get your ticket number, then you have to get your boarding pass or your passenger receipt. And how do you do that? From this homepage, head over to the top corner of your screen, you have book and prepare, my bookings, and discover Lufthansa. Go ahead and click on my bookings. So if you head over here under manage, where you have check-in, flight status, manage booking, seat reservation, rebook, cancellation and refund, passenger receipt, and delete and damaged baggage. So go ahead and click on passenger receipt, and once you click on passenger receipt, it's going to take you to this window where you can now click on download your passenger receipt or request a passenger receipt. Once you get your passenger receipt, then you will definitely find your flight ticket number on your passenger receipt. Another way that you can get your flight ticket number is through your boarding pass. So click on my bookings again and click on check-in. Now, once you click on checking, you would need to check in using your booking reference or your ticket number or your tour operator travel. So enter your booking reference or ticket number, your first name, your last name, click on confirm, and follow through the step-by-step processes to check in. So while you're checking, you're going to get it to a point where you see your boarding pass. So once you click on your boarding pass, click on print, and once you click on print, that's going to be it. It's going to be up for download. That way, you're going to find your ticket number on your boarding pass. So that's pretty much the process. This is how you can find your ticket number using your boarding pass or using the passenger receipt. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.